All right, we're going to go ahead and get started with this flag. I should have everything already. Going into my flags. Scroll down until I find the right flag I want. I'm going to go ahead and make sure that's all grouped together. Grab my text tool. Going to change the font to We the People. Go ahead and center it. Bring it into place where I want it. I think right about there is where I want it. We're going to make an offset, both inner and outer, of 0.1, just a tiny little mark. Gonna have to zoom into it. Gonna take the outer edge and the flag. We're gonna bootlean them together. We're gonna take the inner, make it a fill layer. And if I was to take the flag and make it a fill layer, it should turn to white. Yep. Next thing we're going to do is ungroup it. I'm going to steal one of the stars, pull them out of there real fast, take the rest of the stars and delete them. We're just going to go ahead and make this back into a line art for now so I can see. Take a square. I'm just going to take the innermost and outer parts, square it off. It's being very difficult, but that should work. Take my star. Center inside that square. And I'm just going to bring it to the top. Once that's done, I'm going to select the square again. And, well, it's already set. 13 copies at 360 degrees. We'll go ahead and remove the square. Select all the stars, and we'll group the stars together. Take my text tool. Shrink that down a little bit. Make sure it fits in here. Select the stars, and we're just going to center it. We'll go ahead and make that a fill layer again. Well, before I make that a fill layer, I guess I should make this stuff a fill layer. There we have it. Completed. I hope you found that useful. Just a quick, easy flag to make. My other flags seem to be doing pretty decent, so I figured I'd add a couple more, and this was one of them I was looking at. Please, if you could take the time, subscribe. I appreciate it. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.